Hello my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching Mathematics class. As you know, in this particular channel, you will get ICSE, CBSE and WBBSE solutions of all subjects. Students, if you want to get all the videos arranged in order according to the subject and class, then you must visit our channel and go through the playlist. Students, today we came up with another important topic of your book, that is linear equation. My dear students, in this particular video, we are going to learn the definition of linear equation, how to recognize linear equation in one variable, how to solve linear equation by elimination and transposition methods. Again, we will learn about how to apply linear equations to solve real life problems. So all in one things are in this particular video. So let's get started. First, we will learn about the definition of linear equation. Linear equation are those equations that are of the first order. So my dear students, as you know, equation means what? Which will balance the both sides, that is LHS will be equals to RHS. So let us assume a equation that is x plus 5 equals to 8. So here the value of 5 and 8 are fixed. So these are constant and the x is a variable here. And the highest power of the variable in this particular equation, we have only one variable, that is x, and the power is 1. X to the power 1 is x. So here the power of x is 1. So as you can see, the highest order or the first order equation is x plus 5 equals to 8. Therefore, any equation where the variable will have the highest power as 1, that will be known as linear equation. For example, we can take any other equation, that is 4a equals to 2. This is also a linear equation because here variable is a and the highest power is 1. But if we take the equation like this, that is x to the power 2, that is x square plus 5 equals to 12. Here as you can see, the power of x is 2. Therefore here the degree is 2 or the order 2 equation. Therefore it is not a linear equation. So according to the linear equation definition, we get to know that the highest power of the variable should be 1. So here let us go through a linear equation in one variable, because in this particular chapter we are going to deal with linear equation in one variable. So a linear equation or the first degree equation, as I have explained, as the highest degree or highest order is 1, therefore it is first degree equation, is an equation that has only one literal. One literal means one variable. If we write like this, 4a plus b equals to 8, here we have two literal or two variables. So this is not a linear equation in one variable. We are talking about one variable, so the maximum number of variable will be 1, and as you can see, highest power of the literal or the variable should be 1. So this is known as linear equation in one variable. So let us start with the chapter. So here first we are going to learn about the methods of solving a linear equation. There are two methods. One is using inverse operations for elimination and second one is transposition method. As I said, I will explain you both the method. First we will start with using inverse operation for elimination. The main thing you should know for solving linear equation is, while solving an equation, the literal or the variable should be retained or kept on the left hand side and the constant terms and the numerical coefficient on the right hand side. So according to this concept, we must keep only the variable on the left hand side. Other things we need to take towards the right. For example, if we are given 3x plus 4 equals to 18, here we need to keep only this x on the left hand side. Other things, that is this constant, this is constant, and the coefficient, that is the number before the variable, all these things should be taken on the right hand side for solving this particular equation or the given equation. Let us understand the concept of the first method, that is using inverse operations for elimination. So according to the rule of using inverse operation for elimination, we should remember that if we add a number to the left hand side, same number should be added to the right hand side. Again, if you subtract a number from LHS, then subtract the same number from the RHS. If you multiply any number in the LHS, same number will be multiplied in the RHS. Similarly, if you divide the LHS by a number, then you need to divide RHS by the same number. So whatever you are doing in the LHS, the same thing you need to do in the RHS for inverse operation for elimination. Here what you are eliminating? You are eliminating the other things except the variable to get the value of variable. This is the method, that is inverse operation for elimination. We will see in the example. Next is transposition method, which I will explain after explaining the method of inverse operation for elimination with help of example. So as we have learned in the beginning that we need to keep the variable on the LHS, that is left hand side, and other things we need to cancel out or take to the RHS for solving the equation or finding the value of the variable. As you can see here, we have one variable, that is x, and the highest power is 1. Therefore this is linear equation in one variable. So here we will use inverse operation for elimination method. So as you can see here, we have given this one and this one on the right hand side. So we need to first cancel this plus 4. How we will cancel? If we just do the inverse thing, that is we have plus 4 here, we will do minus 4, but this minus 4 we need to write on the right hand side also. So as we have plus 4 in the left hand side, to cancel this plus 4 we will write minus 4. So plus 4 and minus 4 will give you 0, and here 13 minus 4 will give us 9. After this step we are left over with 3x equals to 9. So as we have learned that we need to keep only the variable on the left hand side to solve an equation. Therefore as we have 3x, that is 3 into x on the left hand side, so we need to divide 3 into x, that is 3x by 3, so that this constant value get cancelled. So same thing we need to do on the right hand side also, as we already have 9 here. So we need to divide the right hand side also by 3. So 9 divided by 3 we need to do 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So here we will left over with 3. So on the left hand side we have only x, and on the right hand side we have 3. So the value or the final value of x will be 3, which is our answer. Students, in some of the sums you will ask to find out whether your equation is correct or not. You will ask to check. So how you are going to check whether your answer is correct or not? As you can see here, the value of x is 3. So we will put the value of x in the equation given to us, that is 3 into 3 plus 4, that is LHS. So as you can see, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So this value is equals to the given value, that is 13, that is LHS equals to RHS by putting the value of x as 3. Therefore the correct value of x is 3, which is our answer. Next we will go through the next method. This is the second method, that is transposition method. This particular method is much easier and less time consuming. So as this method is convenient, so we all follow this particular method. You can follow any method, but this particular method is easier. Student, we will learn this method, but here what you need to see is addition and subtraction operations are reversed. That means if we have minus 5 in the left hand side, so in order to take this minus 5 on the right hand side, we will write plus 5 on the right hand side. If we have any number in multiplication in the left hand side, to take that number on the right hand side, we need to place that number in division. Similarly, if we have division in the left hand side, that number will go as multiplication. If we have any addition, then it will move in the right hand side as subtraction. So this is the main concept of this particular method. So let's start with the example. As you can see, we have 3x plus 4 equals to 13. So we have learned that to solve an equation, we need to keep only the variable in the left hand side. Other thing we need to take towards the right. So first we will take this one, that is plus 4 on the right hand side, which will become minus 4. As I said earlier, that plus will become minus. So plus 4 has become minus 4. So after solving this one, we will get 3x equals to 13 minus 4, that is 9. Now we need to take this 3 towards the right, so that x remains only in the left hand side. So into 3, we have 3 into x. So as this 3 is in multiplication, so as it will go on the right hand side, it will be divided, division 3. So it will be 9, as we have already 9 on the right hand side. So 9 divided by 3. This 3, that is multiplication, will act as the division in the right hand side. So finally 9 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So your answer is 3. So as you can see in the previous equation, also we have got 3, and here also 3 for the same particular equation. You can also check this equation. So 3 into 3 plus 4. So we'll get 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 4 is 13, as it is there in the right hand side. Therefore it is correct, or the value of x is 3. So these are the two methods. Dear students, with this we come to the end of part 1. In the second part we will learn how to solve the linear equations. Students, thank you for watching this video. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like, share, subscribe this channel, and also click on the bell icon to get regular update of the newly updated videos. Students, as I have said earlier that if you want to get all videos arranged in order, then you must go through the playlist where you will find the videos arranged according to the subject and according to the class. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Stay safe.